I just came up from and I wanna share the stuff that I'm doing over there. So you can try to show me how to do it. You sat me down in this place, and you said to me, nobody wanna see you rising. But if you don't even like it, they just wanna see you leaving prices. Drive yourself, you don't need the license. All I heard, she can even ride it. Go ahead, move the keys, just like it. They showed me the latest. We walk over the nation.
Stop over here. Jump. Go watch the world. Oh, man, how you doing? Well, man, let's go for this trouble. Where you at? Y'all ready for the what? What's that? Okay, yeah, we're getting ready right now. We almost got it down to we don't bring it up as soon as we get ready. In a minute. All right, okay, let's get it poppin'. All right.
Taruh.